18 amazing teachers, each giving live demo of their favorite technique. You'll find a broad variety. There will be something to interest every kind of quilter. It's the Global Quilt Connection's All-Star Sampler Platter. 6 live hours streamed via YouTube, but the videos are available to watch for 72 hours after the live event, so that you can watch them whenever it's convenient for you. Quilt guilds are invited to register as a group. We have pricing according to the size of your membership, and individuals, you're always welcome to sign up on your own. So get comfortable, prepare to be educated, be entertained, and meet some of the most amazing teachers from all around the world. Let the Global Quilt Connection bring quilting education right into the comfort of your own home. Happy quilting! We'll see you soon.